in correction to the error on the theories and concepts on race and racism mentioned earlier, which were peddled throughout the Ouwarre by European historians and writers. Race is presented here within the natural truth, the historic truth. It always has been the issue about human self-glorification, the claim I am better human being than him, the temporary advantage I have now has made me into a different creature. The portion on the Ouwarre map above approximated Ouwarre according to the ancient Igbos. We now shift from Oguindom, Arika, Chinyere, and Ala Eke, the Americans, the Ala Undenda, Anwawa, to the Etitiowa. The introduction here will show that the spreading Africans to the north on Ouwarre and to the east on Ouwarre was slow and steady. There was no natural disaster that engendered migration, especially to unknown parts of the Ouwarre. The spreading was successful in populating the Ouwarre. It was guided by common language and intelligible means of communication. Earlier histories portray or send a picture of subhuman. It was guided by common language and intelligible means of communication. Earlier histories portray or send a picture of subhuman. Aimless drifting from place to place that had the need to zero out the gains and advances by humans and life in the equatorial, tropical and subtropical Ouwarre before the emancipation of Europe that was propelled by the invention of the gun, the MIDDU BLOK on the Ouwarre to the ancient as is handed down was undivided or section as we now have it. Then the Igbo Bantu people had their own ways on recognizing and location their people in all the land that constituted Ouwarre to be continued